Guys, so today I'm going to do the remake of the 48-inch Harvey's Northumberland ceiling fan in brushed nickel. This fan we bought from Lowe's in early August 2021. This fan is from April of 2020. So yeah. You can see the Harbor Breeze logo on the canopy up there, and there's just warning stickers and the date code. Whoa, it just fell. There's the date code. And I'll show you this one. What's that one? It's the logo. The blades are reversible from russet to that finish, which is cinnamon, I think, if I remember correctly. Has a opaque white glass or globe. Anyway, sorry, pause the video. Got the remote here. I'll go ahead and turn on the light. And while the light is on, I'll show you the dimming function in a second. But here's the remote. It has the Harbor Breeze logo, and at the bottom there. And I thought this would have come with one of those Harbor Breeze remotes that have the Harbor Breeze logo lights up. But this one doesn't have that. So at the bottom here, you have the light on off / dim button if you have dimmable bulbs in your fan, which I do. So the dim function is on. Fan off, low, medium, high. Back. Show you the dimming. They're just fully dimmed. I have Philips warm glow bulbs in there, so that's why you can see that's why it turns a different color. Because it... Whoa, my camera is dirty. That's better. As you dim it, it gets warmer. So go ahead and start out on low speed. Turn these lights on. That does nothing. This is a nice looking fan, and it was a little bit expensive, but the thing is I can not really feel any airflow from it. The only place I can feel airflow is if I put my hand by the end of the blade, then I feel it. Like, I don't really feel it at all on the bottom, and yes, it is in forward. I'm gonna switch it to reverse probably in October. So yeah. Go ahead and turn the light on. There it is on low with the light on. This is usually what combination it's on when it's running. Because of the wobble issue, I don't run anything other than low. Whoa. just for the showing here. I'll just turn the light, I'll just keep the light on. Here's medium. Definitely a noticeable hum. Bit more air from the, ow, I just hit it. There's medium. Now for high. Quick airflow. It's not too bad. Oh crap, it's a bunch of a bunch of dust is coming down. Okay, turn off. A bunch of dust is coming down now. Because it doesn't run on. Oh, the dust is coming down now because I turned it on high. But yeah, you saw it quickly on a low and high and medium. Again, I don't really like it running for that long on those speeds because it wobbles. It definitely has a wobble problem. Sorry, I had to go to the bathroom, and by the time I was done, it stopped. Anyway, yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna fix the wobble issue because it's probably not worth it to fix the issue with the electrical box. I think the nut is still around here somewhere. Oh yeah, it's in the corner here. I'd probably have to take it down to put this nut on. I think I mentioned that in the original video. For some reason, this electrical box in here, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the fan back on low. For some reason, this fan, this electrical box, it had screws. The nuts had screws. The junction box screws had nuts on top of the the ears. I think that's what they're called, that go where the screws screw into, and they were nuts on top of the ear. When I took down the San Marino, that was fine. I didn't have to remove the nuts because the San Marino, like some earlier Hampton Bay fans, the mounting bracket is one of those slide on ones. So I was able just to loosen the screws and then just slide the bracket off. Whereas this one, since it's Harbor Breeze, and I don't think Harbor Breeze ever had that feature, I had to remove the screws completely to thread them through the mounting bracket for this thing. So I don't know if it's worth it to take it all back down and put that nut on. In 2 years, once I finish high school, we'll probably be renovating the upstairs, so this thing will be coming down. We're planning on doing a renovation. Plan is to get a new furnace, get rid of the chimney. That's what that thing is there. Possibly get rid of this wall, or just make a peninsula. I'm not really too sure. Well, in the midst of that, I don't know if we're gonna keep a fan location somewhere in here, maybe in the center or something, and do pot lights around it, or we could add some kind of box over here, and I could just put the fan over there, and that way, that box would be a fan rated one. And we'd add a switch over here. I'd probably keep the switched outlets over here because it's nice just to be able to control whatever's plugged in there. Right now it would be that and this, but I'd probably I'd put a switch over here. Except that we'd have to do a 3 game. These 2 spots would move over into this switch would move over one, this switch would move over where this one was, and then the new switch would have to go here, because we can't add one this way because we're not moving this furniture, or unless we are. I'm not really too sure. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, bye.